You know that I wanna be good for you. You know that I wanna be good for you. I do, but sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad. Oh, can't you see? I'm just being weak. I think you know that I care for you. I think you know that I care for you. I do, but sometimes I can't be there for me. Sometimes I can't be there, baby, can't you see? I'm just being me. Sometimes we're just colliding, and we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we're just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Damn, I don't wanna be mad on you. No, I don't wanna be mad on things you do, but sometimes I need what's best for me. Sometimes I need what's best, baby, can't you see? Can't be there when you weep. No, no, no. Yes, I want you to be here for me. Of course I want you to be here, don't disappear. Sometimes I need you strong for me. Sometimes I need you strong when I'm on my knees. Oh baby, please. Baby, you and me, we meant to be. You don't question my love, you know it's there. And even if we don't agree, you know I care. 'Cause baby, you and me, we meant to be. It's you and me, unconditional love. You and me, unconditional love. Sometimes we just colliding, and we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we're just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. In my what's on my mind. Yeah, yeah. Since I laid my eyes on you, my baby, I just wanna make your dreams come true. My lady, if you're low, I'll lift you up. Just let me know when shit gets tough. Do you feel the way I do? Do you see me like I see you? I love you, but I don't need you. I only want true love, true love.
今2ラウンド目終了してまいりました。今日は1ラウンド目も入りまして、なんか明日くらいから台風がこの辺直撃するらしいんです。それで明日から波もうどうなるかわかんないんで、今日は絶対2ラウンドやろうと思って入ってきました。でもまだそんなに最近にしてはずっと小波続きだったんで上がってる方なんですけど、そんな恐ろしい波ではまだないです。楽しいぐらいの波でしたただあんまりちょっとうまく乗れなかったんですけどでもすごい楽しかったです。明日はどうでしょう。風、波も波そんなに上がらなくても風があんまり出てきたらやれないかもわかんないですね。できたらいいんですけどということで、本日は楽しませていただきました以上でございます。最後までご視聴いただきましてありがとうございました。失礼いたします。今日台風4号がこの辺り通過しますんで、その台風対策に船の 準備しにやってきました。